Hello everybody to my second Minecraft tutorial. Today we're going to be going over how to hide the CIT name tags on your CITs. So this one works out for me. I don't know if it's going to work out for you. It's very complex, unlike my other tutorial, but it's also kind of similar to my other tutorial because you're going to be doing stuff in this one that we've done in the last one. So what you're going to want to start off with is something in front of it. As you can see, we can see the name tags of these two pot holders. I'll put the packs that I'm using, or CIT packs that I'm using, in the description below. What we're going to want to start off with is a slab right below this area. It's going to want to be at least this far away. And we're going to just point at the middle of this slab here and do /summon. And I'm choosing Strider because their head, it takes up a whole block, and it's a good way to hide name tags, because mobs count as entities, kind of like how string hides certain things, but it doesn't hide everything on the walls. So Striders, their head takes up a whole block's worth, and it works out for me because they're huge and they get the job done. So we're going to use the same command that I've done in my last video. If you haven't seen it, I'll tell you about it in a minute. So you're going to want, it might be, I believe it's capitalization sensitive. There we go. Okay, so why we have it as silent and no AI is because silent Striders make noise. I believe they make noise, and we don't want our kitchen to be making Strider sounds. That's kind of funny. And no AI means they will not move. They will stay in place no matter what you do, and they won't make noise if you hit them, so it's perfectly fine. You're going to want to summon him in, and right now he looks a little goofy, but it's okay. What we're going to do next is going to mine the block out, get rid of that, and now he's standing on air, but that's good. That's good. Now, you notice how, like, I can't really touch him very well. He pushes me back. We're going to want to resist that and go inside, and we're just going to do /fill. Ignore the squigglies. They're just because they go wherever your feet are standing, so it's not an exact coordinate. And I'm currently using birch. Now this doesn't really work well on birch stairs, or like any kind of stairs really. I haven't really found a way to work it, so I'm just using planks for now. And enter. And now he's standing in a box of birch planks. So still we can't go through him or anything, and we can still see him. And he looks a little sad. He looks a little sad that he's stuck. So we're going to change that. We're not going to be able to see him anymore. That's fine. Effect. I should actually probably go over the other one first. /team add. And we're going to make a name. So what this does is this makes a team of all the Striders that you're going to be using in your build or your project. So team add, and then you're going to make a name. I made a name already. It's no collision. Just like this. You don't have to name it that, but I feel it would make a lot more sense because of what we're going to do with that. So after you make your team, you're going to want to do /team modify no collision, which is the name of mine. Team modify no collision, and right up here at the top, it's collisionRule never. And that's all you're going to want to do. You're going to do enter. I already did that. Team add. Oh, sorry. Team join no collision, and this is where you're going to add all of your Striders. So @e bracket type Strider, or whatever mob you decided to use. Again, I recommend a Strider because their head takes up a good majority. So, Strider, and now he's in our team. And now we can just walk freely through him. We can walk all through him. He doesn't push us back at all. Everything's good. But of course, we still don't want to see his face. He's really sad. So, effect, give all entities of a certain type and it's going to give you a list of all these different abilities, and I'm choosing invisibility, and it's going to give you infinite, and there we go. Now he's gone, magically gone. He's no longer here. Same with my mugs and my chairs, everything like that. Now, it doesn't really work out well on certain things, as in when it comes down to when a trapdoor is in a certain area where you can't really place things over, and like here's an example. So see this piece of string? Let's get a trapdoor. Just any trapdoor. Now that we have this here, wait a minute. There we go. That's better. Now that it's actually over it and we can place stuff on top of it. See that this is the situation we have. We cannot place another piece of string on this because of where the trapdoor is. So it's not going to work out. I've found that it's really complicated to get the name off of those types of things. But if you make it work out, I'm so proud of you and good job. But I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. I'll try to make more tutorials. I really hope the audio is actually working out for you. If you have any questions or any suggestions in the comment, please put them in the comments below. Thank you so much.